FreshBooks app. The pros, the cons. FreshBooks is a cloud accounting platform designed for small businesses and freelancers, but is it the right fit for you? The biggest advantage is simplicity. FreshBooks makes invoicing, expense tracking, and time management easy. Users can create professional invoices, track payments, and even automate recurring billing. For example, a freelance designer can invoice clients, monitor overdue payments, and track hours worked in one app. Integration is another strong point. FreshBooks connects with Stripe, PayPal, and G Suite, keeping accounting data synced with business operations. Mobile apps allow invoicing and expense tracking on the go. However, FreshBooks has limitations. It may lack some advanced accounting features found in platforms like QuickBooks, and multi-currency management can be tricky. Pricing can also be high for businesses with many clients. In conclusion, FreshBooks is ideal for small businesses and freelancers who need an easy, intuitive accounting tool. It simplifies invoicing and expense tracking, but larger businesses or those needing complex accounting may require more robust solutions.